Hello everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about few limitations of VLOOKUP. Those are not the only limitations, but I'll try to cover most we're getting three limitations like Excel will not be working this formula, the VLOOKUP formula. So if you see over here in this table, you want to find out sales amount for say specific salesperson, so that you can get it, but you cannot get the data like this salesperson, who's what he sold, the product what he sold, so that will not be getting, because the VLOOKUP formula will work on the right hand side column, not the left column. So let's say for example, if I want to search equals to VLOOKUP and the lookup value, as you know, and you can find more like how this formula works. I have attached the link in the I button over right corner, and then table array, the table array I need to select, like I need to select two, and then column index, this is the second column from which I want to search, and then the false, so I want exact match, and then enter. So I will get like, hey, John has $100 of sales, but if I want to search John has sold what? Okay, so if I try equals to VLOOKUP, and as you know that we need to enter reference number, and that should not be negative. So let's say for example, if I want to search John again, column table array, so I've selected this. Now I am trying to search the first column from here, so I'll try to search index number one, and then range lookup will be false, and enter. So here is the message that we'll be getting, like there are one or more circular reference where a formula refers to its own cell either directly or indirectly. This might be the case them to calculate incorrectly. Try removing the changing this reference. So reference is incorrect in our case. So that's what the limitation is. The second limitation would be, let's say for example, if I need to know what is the sales of that person. So what I need to do, I need to give the formula, the reference over here is like I want to search the second column. But let's say if I have added a column to it, then formula will work, but then it will be searching for the second column only, so that is not changing. And for that we can use index match formula, which I will be explaining to you soon, and you can go to the I button over here. I have included a link over there. So index match functionality will be helpful over here in such cases. The third limitation would be that the we are able to search the like vertical columns only, but here in my case the data is arranged in a horizontal line. So let's say if I want to search John has done what, so this will not be working now, because if I have to search from here like in columns, then I can, let's say I want to search uh, what has done, like what's the value of apple and what's the value of orange, but then I will not be able to search John has done what and then Jen has done what, because my data is arranged in a horizontal formula. So what's the workaround over here? The workaround would be to convert this table into the vertical format. So copy this formula and you can do paste special and then transpose, so all the data will be in the column wise. Now what I can do, I can search now. Let's say I want to search Jane has done how many apples and how many oranges. So now I can search. So that's the limitation, and this is how we can solve it. Okay, for this reference number formula, let's say if I am adding something, but still Excel will look up to the second column, as I said in my previous example over here. So that can solve the problem. All right, so these are the limitations that we can find out, and then I'll probably share the workaround as well. So hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends who wants to know about VLOOKUP formula, but we do not want to learn all of them. So these are the things that they can learn. Have a wonderful learning. Bye.